Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show a practical on Power BI, how to capture the Power BI, how to import the data from Excel to Power BI. So get data. We are going to import the data from various source to our Power BI and we are going to visualize the data. So this is my topic which I wanted to show. So you can take Excel, you can take any other data. So I can take this SQL Server Analysis Services. So server name is my server name. Connect. Okay. Adventure. So I'm going to import. So work DW. So use my current account. So connect. So I'll just get data from Excel. So I have various data, documents. Book one. You can import the data and you can visualize it. So this is the data. You can load. So it has been loading. So basically you can if you want to visualize your text data, so we are using this particular practical. So it is loading the data and you can see there are various columns are there. Just check mark the column. And you can visualize it in different charts. So this is what you can fetch the data from different source, put it into Power BI and see its visualization. Thank you.